Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. We are Maqbool Solutions, a registered IT company. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will see how you can download and install the eSales Analyst point-of-sale software yourself using the internet. To install the software, make sure your laptop or desktop computer meets the minimum requirements. Windows 7 or higher, 4 GB RAM, quad-core processor or better. If your computer has lower specifications than this, the software will not work properly. To download Maqbool Solutions point-of-sale, accounting, inventory, and computerized billing software, visit the official website 𝐸SaleAnalyst.com/𝐸SaleAnalyst.com, or simply type 𝐸Sale Analyst in any browser, and the first link you see will be the official website of the software. And explore other options as well, such as pricing plans, contact us information, features, etc. To download the setup, scroll all the way down and click on the Download button for the desktop app. Once you click, the setup will start downloading. Apart from the desktop app, this software also has a web app and an Android app, which we will explore in upcoming videos. Exciting, right? After the file is downloaded, go to the Downloads folder. The downloaded software file will be a RAR file, which requires WinRAR software to open. Don't have it? No worries, you can download it from the internet if needed, although it might already be installed on your computer. Right-click on the RAR file and extract it. Once extracted, double-click on the setup file to open it. A pop-up notification will appear. Just click Yes to proceed. You can read the software agreement if you want, or simply click I accept and then Next to continue. Keep clicking Next, 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 and then Install Now. Almost there. Once the setup is installed, click Finish, and that's it. Your software is now installed. On your desktop, you will see two icons, Database Runner, eSales Analyst. In the next video, we will open the software, create a 15-day trial, and go through some basic settings.